In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on Google Business Profile in 2026. If you need to update the phone number customers see for your business on Google, this process is quick and straightforward once you're in the right place. Keeping your contact information current is important because it helps customers reach the correct number, and it also keeps your business listing accurate across Google search. To begin, open a web browser and sign in to the Google account that's connected to your Google Business Profile. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business or have multiple Google logins. If you sign in with the wrong account, you may not see the business profile you want to edit. Once you're signed in, go to your Google Business Profile Manager and choose the business location you want to update. This is especially important if you manage several locations, because each location can have its own contact details. Take a moment here to confirm that you've selected the correct listing before making any changes. After opening the right business profile, look to the left-hand menu and click Edit Profile. From there, select Contact. This section contains the public contact details that appear on your business profile, including your phone number. Navigating through this area ensures you're editing the official information tied to your listing rather than changing something in a different Google setting. Next, find the phone number field and click the pencil icon beside it. This will let you edit the current number. Type in the new phone number carefully, checking that every digit is correct. It's a good idea to use the main number your customers should call directly and to make sure the format is accurate for your region. When you've entered the new number, click Save. Google may take a little time to process the update, so don't worry if the change doesn't appear instantly. In some cases, profile edits can go through a brief review before becoming visible to the public. And that's it. Your Google Business Profile phone number has been updated. After saving, it's a smart idea to check your live business listing on Google search later to confirm the new number is showing correctly. Keeping details like this up to date can improve customer trust and make it easier for people to contact your business without any confusion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.